Welcome everybody to the Monitoring Setup Guide. In this guide, I will take you through the setup of monitoring from the China region. The Beijing China Monitoring Agent is located behind the Great Firewall of China. As a result, the filtering rules are applied to all internet traffic and it affects monitoring results from the Beijing China agent. First, let me show you with this simple example how the Great Firewall of China works. I will create a new device using the Browser View Monitoring platform and select the Chrome browser to load our page. Let's use the Dotcom-Monitor website for this example. Next, I'm going to select monitoring locations. In addition to the Beijing agent, I selected one location from the USA region, Northern Virginia, to show the difference between the results received from behind the Great Firewall of China and outside the China region. Now let's pull the online report to compare the results. As you can see here, the Beijing agent responds with errors, while the page from the USA is loaded without errors. In the detailed view, as an example of the filtering, we can see that the error is generated by the Facebook pixel, which is filtered out by the firewall on the website page. Let me show you this element on the page. So, this Facebook pixel won't be loaded from within the China region. What we can do here to not receive excessive alerts on the known issue is to set up a download filter for our monitoring device. I'm going to copy the element from the log and go back to the monitoring settings. I want to ignore the Facebook pixel while loading the page, so I add the object here. As you can see, we can exclude any elements from the monitoring or download only specific elements if it is necessary. Let's save the device and wait a bit for the new results to arrive. Now, the device works without errors. If you have any questions, please make sure to check our knowledge base or reach out to your account manager or contact our technical support.